Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I do really appreciate your continued support. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the process of making this swing chair, as you can see. So I'll be showing you from the start till the end of the video how we really did make this beautiful and nice swing chair. So welcome again, and the first thing that we started was coiling these bigger tubes into circular shapes, and also the shapes and curves that were needed during the process of making the swing. So this machine is what we were using during this process. You can see it's a lot of work. It's a manual job, yeah, but we managed, and I'm going to be showing you in the next clips their products, yeah. Anyway, if this is your first time clicking on your video on our videos, feel much welcome in our channel All Things With Us. You can also follow us on our other pages, that is on Instagram and TikTok, All Things With Us. Yeah, you can follow us for more content. So the first thing that we started off with is making this circular a bigger base for the swing chair, which was almost 3 feet in diameter. That is, if you want to know the measurements for you to try something like this, it was a 3 feet diameter, that one, and which will act as the base for the swing chair. The other thing that we did make was the one that was going to be welded on top of that circular one, which will curve on the top, that will hold the swing itself. Yeah, this one, we also did curve it. And the other thing that we were going to be curving here before we do the welding was the other pieces that were needed to complete the swing chair. These ones, we had one for the face, the other ones to make the main frame for the swing chair, and then the other ones I'm going to be showing you in the next clips during the process. Anyway, if you have liked this video till this far, make sure to like it, comment on it, share with your friends and family. Yeah, and thank you so much for always coming back, watching our videos and liking on them. I really do appreciate that. So this is the process of us making the swing chair. As you can see, it had a lot of work of us carving the pieces of metal, yeah, making the shapes, the circles, and many more. Anyway, you can visit our channel for more videos like this and more, because we have a variety of videos where we do transformation, makeovers, DIYs like this one. I mean, if you visit our channel, I'm sure you will not get disappointed. You will get a lot of variety of ideas and home improvement ideas that will use at your own home, yeah. And most of them are explained, and I usually show everything and share some measurements where necessary. But if you need to know more, you can just comment and I will get back to you and give you the information or the measurements that we may need for you to do something like this. The other thing that we did during this process was a lot of welding, because we had to join the pieces together now to make the swing chair. As you can see, the frame have started to make the shape, or you can now see the idea of what we are going to be making. so we had to do a lot of welding during the process. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, processes and materials that we did use during this process or during this DIY today. And after we are done with the welding, these are the products. As you can see on the screen, we have this main frame and we have this egg-like shape structure here that is where someone is going to be seated. And then after that, we did the paint work. We were going with the black frame and we did paint it black. As you can see, it came out very neatly. Then the other thing that we were going to be making was the cushion, or the cushion that will be used on the chair. That is because you cannot sit on the metallic frame. So I'm going to be preparing this foam here so that I can make the cushion that will be used to sit on the chair. So now here I had this foam and I'm going to be putting some comfort, it's called Dicron. So I'm going to be adding this Dicron there and some pamper so that it can become very soft. And I had this bag that I already did make the measurements, and I did sew it into this structure, and I'm going to be filling it with everything that I had. This this foam, the Dicron and the pamper, so that it will be fluffy and it will be very comfortable when you sit on the chair. So I'm just filling the bag, and I think when I fill it, I'm going to be showing you how it will look like, and then I'm going to be setting it on the frame, that is the swing chair, and I will show you the final reveal. So make sure to tell me in the comment section what you think about the whole process. Tell me what you think about the chair, and if it's something you like, yeah, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Like the video, comment on it, and share with your friends and family. So let me leave you at this, and see you in my next videos.